welcome to my channel. My name is everlenia.chenelle, and today we're going to be doing a smoky eye with a little bit of sparkle, and I'm just going to start off by priming my face. Now I'm just filling in my eyebrows with my brow pomade, and then I'm going to go in with my concealer and clean them up so that they're nice and neat.
Sit up, you sit up, you sit up.
Now that my eyebrows are all cleaned up, I'm going to take that same concealer and bring it down all over my eyelid, and I'm just going to use that to act as a primer for my transition shade.
Like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.
Then I went in with the shades Strong and the shade Oya from my brown Melanin makeup palette, and I just used them as my transition shades.
Like the cool blue light.
After I have both my transition shades on, I just go ahead and blend them in really well. Now that they're blended, I'm going to take my ABH eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to prime my lid for my eyeshadow. And using my Morphe 35B palette, I'm just going to pack that shadow right on my eyelid. Once I have my eyeshadow on to my liking, I go ahead and I just blend everything in. Now I'm just lining my eyes with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Then I went in with my Better Than Sex mascara, and afterwards I applied my lashes. After I applied my lashes, I just began to conceal my dark spots with my Girl Pro Concealer.
Sit up, yeah. You sit up, yeah. You sit up, yeah. You sit up, yeah.
Once my dark spots were concealed, I just went in with my Makeup Forever foundation and I just spread that all throughout my face.
Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light.
Then I began to sculpt my face using that same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And using my Sephora concealer, I just go ahead and apply my contour. Once I have my contour applied, I go ahead and begin blending everything out. Once everything is blended, I just go in with my black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette as well as my JUVIA'S Place Setting Powder, and I just begin to set my sculpt as well as my contour. And after I have everything set, I just go back in and begin to blend it.
Sit down. You sit down. You sit down. You sit down.
Then I go in and apply my blush to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going in with my NYX Jumbo Crayon and I'm just lining my waterline. Then I apply my NYX glitter glue to my lash line and then apply my glitter so I can have that nice sparkle.
Like the cool blue light. 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 Like the cool blue light.
And now I'm just applying my strobe highlighter into the inner corners of my eyelids. And then I just begin to highlight my face. I do my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my forehead, my chin, as well as my cupid's bow. And now I'm just applying my lip liner. I'm sorry I won't be able to list this in the description below because my pencil broke, but I will, of course, list the lipstick. That is it, y'all, for this video today. I just want to say thank you for stopping by. Everything I used is in the description below. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to connect with me on social media. Thanks, y'all. Bye.